I still recording? Oops. That's why we still have to go ahead and create that. So in this case, again, we have secant is -3, which is hypotenuse over adjacent. And again, we have our constraints, guys, which is in the third quadrant. So let's go over to there. So -3 down. So here's our alpha. This is -3. I'm sorry, that's not -3. Here's the hypotenuse. That's -1. And then, so therefore, my opposite side, again, that's going down. So that has to be also negative. So therefore, we look at, let's see, if we were going to do this one, that would be the square root of 8, right? Doing the Pythagorean theorem in your head, which is 2.8284271, right? But we're not going to approximate it. We're just going to simplify the radical. Anybody know what the simplified radical of square root of 8 is? How about 2 square root of 2? Anybody? Yeah. All right, so now let's just go ahead and do the tangent. So remember the tangent of theta divided by 2 equals 1 minus cosine of theta over sine of theta. Well, can we figure out what cosine of theta is? We know theta, the cosine, guys, is adjacent over hypotenuse. Sorry. So the cosine of theta is a -1/3. Divided by the sine is opposite over adjacent, -2, square root of 2 over 3. OK? And then we just want to get rid of our complex fraction, which we've been doing quite a bit today, right? So we'll just multiply by a 3 over a 3. Yeah? Then what? So that can simplify, right? And then you could probably rationalize the denominator to simplify this one more time. And when you do that, you get a -2 square root of 2 divided by 2, which equals a negative square root of 2. It's all about the arithmetic, guys. It's all about the simplifying.